Yep, you already know what that title and that thumbnail says. It says marry me. Somebody gonna marry me? I'm gonna show you guys today how to make Marry Me Chicken and Ravioli. Y'all ready? Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, we're gonna do a quick rundown of today's recipe. Back here, we have some boneless chicken breast here. We have some ravioli. Now I'm using frozen ravioli. You can use fresh ravioli, that's fine. It really doesn't matter. Heavy whipping cream, chicken broth, some black pepper, salt, grated Parmesan cheese, sun-dried tomatoes, olive oil, red chili flakes, Italian seasoning, and some chili powder. So that's all you're gonna need. Let's jump into it. All right, so first thing we're gonna do is season our chicken. So guys, what I went ahead and did, I went ahead and just chopped my chicken into pieces, into bite-sized pieces already. I had them in whole breast, but I said, you know what, let me just go ahead and just chop them up. We'll cook them that way. We're gonna go ahead and season our chicken with our black pepper, our salt, our chili powder, and our Italian seasoning. And I'm gonna get that a good mix. Now, of course, you can experiment with whatever seasoning you want to bring that flavor out of your chicken. This is just what I use, all right? So we're good. Now we're gonna head over to our cooktop and continue. All right, to get started, we're gonna heat our olive oil up over medium-high heat. Over medium heat. Once that oil heats up, we're gonna add our chicken. And guys, you may have to cook these babies in batches. That's totally fine. All right, guys, so it looks like we're good. We can start removing our chicken. Man, look at that color on them. That's what we're looking for. I'm gonna go ahead and get these babies removed, add them to an empty bowl here. And we're gonna go in with our second batch and just do the same thing, cook it until it's brown. All right, so we're finishing up our last batch. We're gonna go ahead and let's pause our heat. We'll move our chicken, put it in this bowl. We're gonna set it aside. Man, look at all that good chicken right there. All right, guys, in the same skillet, we're going to unpause our heat. Now, I didn't mention this in our ingredients, but we're gonna add some garlic here, some chopped garlic. We gotta add that garlic, man. We ain't gonna do that. And we're gonna add our sun-dried tomatoes. If you need to hit it with a little bit more olive oil, go ahead and do so. I had a little oil left in there, and we're just gonna saute this for about a minute or so. After that 1 or 2 minutes, we're gonna add our red chili flakes. We're gonna sprinkle some more of that Italian seasoning in here. And we're gonna slowly but surely add our chicken broth. So we're gonna stir this to deglaze the bottom of the pan. We're gonna reduce our heat down to medium low. Once we get that pan deglazed, we're gonna go in with our heavy whipping cream. And we're gonna get that baby mixed up. So once it's mixed, we're just gonna let it sit here and simmer for about 3 to 4 minutes. And while we do that, we're gonna head over to our stove to prepare our ravioli. All right, so now we're at our stove. Our water is boiling. We're gonna cook our ravioli according to the box instructions. And that's once that water boils, you drop your ravioli in here. And we're gonna let that baby cook for 4 minutes. All right, so it looks like our ravioli is good. We're gonna turn it off. We're going to head over to the sink. I'm gonna drain it, and we're gonna set it aside and move back over to our cooktop. All right, so now we're back at our cooktop. We're gonna add our Parmesan cheese here. And we're gonna stir this in until it melts and smooth. Once that cheese is melted, we're gonna add our chicken back into our pan. All that good flavor in that bowl. Along with our ravioli. And we're gonna get that mixed in. Looks like we're good. We're gonna turn our heat off And that's it. Let's head over to our cutting board so we can put our last garnishment on it and jump into quality control. All right, so next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add just some more green stuff, but this green stuff, of course, is basil. Add a little basil in there. If you got parsley, I guess you can add parsley. But basil is a nice touch for this one here. And there you have it, guys. Marry Me Chicken and Ravioli. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let's jump into quality control. Guys, it's time to test this baby out quality control. Let's bring that food, that pasta, to the front of the congregation. Ravioli chicken. It's so creamy. Oh man. Oh man, ravioli, chickeny. Listen, if you like that Marry Me chicken, you're definitely gonna love this with the ravioli. It gives it a nice twist, and them sun-dried tomatoes is the right touch, man. I know one of my subscribers, she don't like them sun-dried tomatoes. I tried to put her on to them sun-dried tomatoes. She said no, she can't handle them. So them sun-dried tomatoes be fire. They be good in that pasta. So until then, remember guys, y'all already know who I am. This is All Wings Everything. And remember, I'm not a chef. I just cook a lot. And I'm out. Peace. Oh man.